underestimate the power of the dark side. I'm just chilling in my car because it's raining. It is raining cats and dogs. I feel like the best way to describe it is that I was supposed to be doing doggies. I was supposed to be doing doggies, and it has rained, so my schedule is postponed until it stops. It wasn't supposed to rain until about 2, and it's 11:45, so yes. I'm just waiting in my car until it slows down a little bit because I don't have an umbrella, so. Carry umbrellas with you, kids. These are my knees. They look kind of weird, I realized, with the steering wheel. You can't see how I'm sitting. Wait. Now you can see. I don't know, it's following my face, so. I'm just like in a tiny little ball. Hey.
変なビデオ見ちゃって。どこで？陽子たちと。ちょうどそれ見終わった時、電話がかかってきて。無言電話だったみたいだけど。
俺が誰だかわかるか。いつか貴様に会うことになると思っていた。俺から光の部分を奪い去った男。貴様のおかげで俺は。
I trapped a spider in a cup. Oh, I don't know what to do with it. It's like so big that I swear if I were to kill it, like babies are coming out. Like it's terrifying. Okay, I can do this. I can do this, right? Right? Where is it? I can't see it. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. No, I'm not even afraid of spiders, but the spider's too big. It's too big. I'm gonna just keep layering at this point. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I'll go the other way. Other way, please. And the other way. Yeah, that way. You ready? Ooh, I'm not ready. Are you ready? Go, shoo. Go, run. Jesus on ice skates.